Good morning kids, Jai Swami Narayan. So kids, in our previous video we had already learned about a sound related 3-letter words. So kids, again we will do. Okay, let's start. F and fan. F and fan. So kids, fan gives us cool air, right? M and man. M and man. Repeat with me kids. M and man. So kids, he is a man. D at that. D at that. Repeat with me kids. Okay? D at that. So kids, that gives us lots of chocolates, right? So at sat. So at sat. Repeat with me kids. So at sat. When mama shouts on you, you feel very sad. Like this, right? Repeat with me kids. Okay? For and fan. Ma and man. The at that. So at sat. So kids, we are continuing in our English notebook. Okay kids? Open your English notebook. Write down here date 15 July 2020. In our previous video, we had already learned about a sound related 3-letter word. So again we will do. Okay, draw the picture like this. F and fan. Right? Write down here. F like this. And fan. Right? Draw the picture. M and man. Write down here. M and man. Turn your page. Draw the picture. D at that. D at that. Right? Write down like this. Draw the picture. So at sat. Write down it. So at sat. So continue with this. Okay kids, this is your homework. So kids, today we had learned a sound related 3-letter words. Okay kids? K and K and K and K and K and can. Nice job. Let's try another one. F and F and F and F and F and fan. Right kids? Great. So at so at so at so at so at sat. Terrific. Let's try another one. D at D at D at D at D at that. Great job.